In the restaurant today. Yeah. We will start to order.
We wait in the restaurant?
Yeah.
Yep.
Restaurant. It's around 70% and 30 or like this. Okay. And now you can take one basket. If you want to call elephant, come here, come here. You
I'm sorry.
Ooh. Yeah. How about a piece of sugar cane?
Yeah, see.
Aww.
Pet his trunk.
I'm scared. Can I touch you? Oh, it's bristling.
Yeah, buddy. What do you think of that? Right?
But I don't know what to do here. There we go. That one won't mean that one won't. Yeah, that's because you've got the good stuff.
There you go. There's
The
it.
good stuff. Yeah? You're not giving them broccoli anymore.
Oh, he blew on me.
Yeah. Blows on your face.
Oh, I dropped it again.
Oh.
Yeah. For the young, for the baby, they will just
That's what me and Scott must have been.
Give it a kiss.
Sorry, we've got none left.
Sorry, buddy. They didn't give us much today.
Oh, look. Now you have to eat the green stuff. That's alright. Don't worry. Just relax and enjoy.
Get a back stretch.
7.
Oh, somebody's going to pee. Right.
They love cooking the water. It's like a toilet, like a restroom for them. When the older, they are the coloration. They will have orange color on the ear, on the trunk, on the neck, like a human. When we only we have right here. The same with the.
That might be. Oh, that might be the men actually. That might be, yeah.
Because they are very naughty. He wants to play fighting with another elephant every time. Hi, in the building who take care of elephant in the tree. It's like a toy for them. Toy for the boy.
He said that bug was a bad bug. He actually said it's dangerous.
Oh, great.
But
Dangerous.
dangerous, dangerous.
200 to 500 kilograms per day. This is like a popcorn at the movie time for them. Okay? Do you know what it is?
No.
It's some floats, very sour.
Hey, look with the ball.
Favorite snack for them.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yummy.
So the food's been made.
Nice balls, Abby.
Oh, they're very smooth abs. Thanks. You've got smooth balls. There will be on.
Hello, fellas.
Yeah, she has the biggest here, but she's not African.
You want one on there?
everyone, when they're very hungry, they might grab your bowl. It's
That's
a roll.
cool.
Put your bowl on.
It's scary. It's scary.
Oh, it feels so funny.
Good, another one.
It must be super sensitive, mustn't it?
Mmm, yum.
Everyone, please follow me. Okay, everyone. This one, her name.
He's been lost.
That's so cool. That's great.
Just eating the whole time behind him.
Yeah. That's so funny.
Okay.
Really gentle giant.
Yeah.
Like Ryland.
Abby, we're covering.
That's really cool.
Start, yeah, share the ring.
Your face.
Yeah, this
Smiling.
One 9 years old, the youngest. Yeah. And this one Imbone, 15 years old. She like a
Just feel the strength of them. Just like.
Someone's popular.
You go.
yeah.
So Jurassic World.
You and I get cuddle?
Isn't it?
It is.
Yes, yes.
Aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy. Oh, one get it.
Oh, you're clutching your leg.
Oh, it's feeling the bottom.
Yeah, you're feeling for a banana. He's going for banana.
How can you walk around with that bag?
Oh. Showing off.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Ooh.
Bye-bye.
It'll be a fake,
She is the biggest one here, but she does.
Just eating.
Very gentle.
G'day, buddy. Oh, you're. Whoa. Copage.
He's dribbling on my foot.
แม่ครัวภาษาอีก 5 นาทีพาลูกค้าไปทานข้าวแล้วนะคะ
That's enough now.
No,
Not by
the oldest one
hand,
was
yeah.
1 on 1. This one was just.
She loves
This one was called the chunky one.
Okay.
Quickly pulled you in.
Sit.
Oh, okay.
Look at me and smile.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna get there soon.
Yes, I will not be long. Funny how they do resemble us when they age.
Yeah, look at that. I just want to jump in. It's getting hot. Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
noodles or? No, I had the, not the clean noodles, I had a mix.
Run! Run! Quick!
I nearly went in the other van.
We know you were going to do that.